Hi everyone, in this test we are going to make a review of Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3. This is this laptop with Core i7 processor 10750H 2.6 and 5 GHz, 6 cores, with 8 GB of RAM. So I made this review under standard test, which you can find in this GitHub profile, Android Studio benchmark, and here I describe it in detail how you can do the same test that I did, step by step. What do you need for that? It's very easy, and you can then share your video and your results with the community as well, and send your results with screenshots to me, and I will publish them in public XML profile. So here are results of executing command gradle assemble debug for this test project. This is Firefox Focus browser for Android, and it's quite a big project. It weighs around 6 GB. So the build time for 3 iterative builds are 4 minutes 17 seconds for fast cold build, and 2 second builds are 3:53 and 3:52 minutes and 55 seconds. Results are quite great. They are already 2 times faster than my current working desktop machine. I have a custom built PC with i5 processor 200 with 3 GHz base clock speed. Here is the result of my working machine, and in the next 5 minutes you can see and compare the performance of this Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 with your working machine, and understand do you need this processor or no on your next laptop which you are going to buy, and is that enough RAM for running all of that or no. So I will be very appreciated if you will like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will post some of such tests from time to time, and you can find all the links to the GitHub profile and all other materials in the description down below. So now you can see a test of Android Studio performance on Lenovo Ideapad. I was running AIDA to see how temperature of CPU is changing, and you can see that this is i7-10750H CPU with 2.6 GHz base clock speed, 8 GB of RAM, and the processor not even fully loaded. The graphics is not even used right now, so the base clock speed is now it finished in 3 minutes 52 seconds, and in current situation you see that I am also running YouTube with 4K video while executing command gradle assemble debug in Android Studio of large project of Firefox browser for Android, and you can see the CPU loading, the CPU performance, and the RAM is used 7 and 9 of 8 gigabytes. Probably it's swapping from the disk, but the video which is playing is very nice and smoothly. And by the way, we are usually while developing something listen to the music on the YouTube or playing some videos behind, but the usual quality of the video is 720p or like 1080p, but not 4K. I just made 4K to see you in comparison that this machine is executing a large huge project and playing 4K video and still performs great, and it is 2 times faster than my current working desktop machine with i5 processor 7400 as far as I remember, and I have a 16 gigabyte of RAM, and this machine has only 8 gigabyte of RAM and 10th generation processor of Intel, so it performs just great. But also it's also very warm to the touch, this laptop, so pay attention to this. And also it's quite noisy even in the shop, so I could clearly hear the fan noise. But with such speed and performance, it's I think it's not that big. Almost all the laptops I saw had quite a big fan noise, so it's okay. So now you can see that project finished in 4 minutes 30 seconds, and it's while playing YouTube 4K video on background, so it's quite good speed. And now you can see Android emulator run speed and compare to your results, but I can tell you that it's quite fast comparing to my working machine, which is quite comfortable for me right now. But I'm looking for laptop for myself, and I want to compare results, so that's why I am making such videos.